Integral mooring specialist, part of the Acteon group, and one of the services that we provide to the oil and gas sector and to the floating wind sector is the supply of mooring equipment. So we supply everything from our own anchors and connectors to mooring chain, fibre rope, from the anchor all the way up to the hull connector. We can do this as a single source procurement service. But a big part of that procurement service is the delivery of all this equipment. And for large projects like we see in floating wind, that delivery has to match the installation timeline of your project. So once you establish or we can help you establish your installation timeline, then you have a procurement timeline, and critically, you have a delivery timeline. And equipment is delivered to a quayside close to your project, not necessarily at your fabrication port, but a suitable port nearby, because we are talking about football fields here worth of storage equipment. So football field sizes, but also we need to prepare this surface, or the Port Authority needs to prepare the surface with load-bearing surfaces suited to the products that are going into that area. So mountains of mooring chain will need a certain load-bearing surface. Heavy anchors that are 15 or 25 metres long, 125 tonnes each, need suitable storage space as well. Plus they need lifting space so we can get crane operations in and safely, all with the ultimate aim of getting these boats loaded, installation vessels loaded and working. Any delay in the mobilisation of this equipment is cost critical and time critical to the effectiveness of the project. So our delivery schedule is very important. We have to find a suitable quayside space. We have to find suitable quayside load-bearing surfaces. We have to find suitable quaysides where we have draft that will suit not only the installation vessels, but also our delivery vessels. And we have to have moving equipment, forklifts, and heavy crane as well. The size of the mooring equipment is critical here, because in oil and gas we're using maybe a 76mm, 84mm chain. Now in floating wind we are using a 180mm chain. So the size of this mooring equipment becomes much, much bigger. The impact on the quayside and on the surface of the storage area becomes far more critical. And then how do we move that equipment and get it on board the vessel in a time efficient manner?